Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials. And in this video, I am going to create a unique splash screen. So you can see the splash screen here. So we will have a bounce animation with the credit line and application icon as well. And we have different kinds of animation on starting only with a black gradient over there and one unique image. So here it is continuously, you can see that splash screen. And if you like this splash screen, then I am going to create this splash screen in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Android tutorials. And if you want this complete source code of this splash screen, then you can comment me down. I will give you the link where you can access a complete source code. So let's begin with our today's tutorial. So first of all, I am going to show the assets that we have for this animated splash screen. So for that we have one books background, so that we can apply it to our background. And this is not much high quality background because it will take extra size in our application. So I am not going to take a full resolution image. Next asset that we have is our application icon itself. So here I had chosen this as a application icon. Now I am going to move by implementing our splash screen design. So first of all, in our main splash screen, we have to change its gravity to center. Means add the layout gravity to center, then add one image view, and that image view is our splash background itself. So here you can see that complete books are there, so that books layout is here. So in that I had added my splash screen background id, and note that giving id is much more important in splash screen video. So you can know that how to add the id. With the help of id, we will show that all that views in our main activity. So first I have splash screen background as a its id, and then I had make its width and height to be match parent, and we have its scale type, that is center crop, and source is already given, that is books background. Next I am going to add a view. This is a new and important part for the splash screen, because without this we will not look our background to something like black. So you can see that there is no text readable in this splash screen. So we are just writing this view. So write view and give its id background view, and give its width to match parent, its height also match parent, and its background will be black gradient. And this black gradient is here, you can see that here we have our black gradient. So basically in that black gradient I had added the gradient, that is start color and its end color to be same, that is AE 0000000, so that we will have that look. Next we are going to add our logo, that is splash logo, and given its width to 200 dp, 200 dp its height, and source is given, and then align them as you wish. You can also use other layouts as a root layout. So here I had used constraint layout, and you can use linear layout, relative layout, or a list layout, grid, anything you want. I am using currently constraint layout. and it is better option for our splash screen design and for all kinds of device. Next we have a title, so you can add as per your choice titles. So I had taken here splash title as id and give its width to match parent, its height is wrap content, and its margin top will be 15 dp so that it looks nice. Then I had added this custom font and give its gravity to be center, and then we have its text color, that is white, and text itself. So here we are creating for a book app, so splash, and then we have a text size that is 30 sp and give its constraint, and then we have its credit line. So here you can see that by Yagna Digital is a credit line, so you can see that its width is match parent, height is wrap content, and its playfair display bold is a font family, make it center, give its a text color and text size. So after we complete this design we have to animate our full layout. So here I had taken all the animation differently. So for our image purpose we are going to take scale from 0 and from y scale also 0. Then we have to take 2x scale 1 and 2y square scale 1. Then we have its pivot point, that is x 50-50, and then set its alpha. From alpha will be 0.0 and to alpha will be 1.0, and also don't forget to add this interpolator as a bounce interpolator, and then make its duration of 1500, means it means 1.5 second. After 1.5 second our animation of image will be stopped. So currently Android Studio is not responding, so let us wait for it to respond. After that I am going to continue this tutorial. So here it is loading, so let us wait. But before this start I would like you to tell that if you want a complete book tutorial application, means in that I am going to show you the complete food application, means starting from splash screen, onboarding screen with animations, and uh, adding the products to getting the orders. So if you want this kind of food application tutorial, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and then comment me down below we want a food tutorial. So after hitting this 20 likes in this video I am going to upload a new video of a food tutorial. And if you want this tutorial, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like and share this Android tutorial. And then we have a splash title anim, so in that also we have to make a animation only. So over there I had taken my from x scale, that is, so let me see what is that over there. So I had written my animation separately, so you can listen it, that duration will be 1500. Then you have to write start offset, that is 250, and then interpolator, that is anim bounce interpolator, and translate will be from delta 200 to y delta 0, and again add alpha, that is 0.0. So after you add this, so now Android Studio is not responding. Yes, so it respond. Now here you can see that this is the For splash title, as I had said you, for duration 1500, start offset 250, interpolator, bounce interpolator, y delta to y delta, that is 2 to 200 to 0, and setting its alpha. Then we have same for credit anim, that is translate 200 from y delta to y delta, that is 0, and here we change its start offset, that is 300. Now we are going to attach our design with animation in its activity. So here is my activity, and that is splash timer, as always 300. 3000 means 3 seconds. So let me here write for you. So here I am writing 3 seconds, because this is for 3 seconds only. Then we have image view, that is splash logo, 2 text view for title and credit, and 3 animation for a title, logo and credit. Then we have to write get window dot set flags, window manager dot layout frames, flag full screen. Then copy this full code, that is window manager dot layout frames dot flag full screen. Then we can write get window dot set enter transition, that is new fade animation. Then we have to add find view by id for all, and give its animation like this. Splash logo anim is equal to animation utils dot load this r dot anim dot image anim. Like that way you have to write all 3 animations and then set the animation as you wish. Next you can start a new handler, and in that post delayed method you can start on your onboarding intent or logging screen, so that you will get after 3 seconds state activities. And then don't forget to add this comma splash timer to start this action. So if by this way you will find the complete animation like this. So let me first close, and here is our animation. So you can see that our animation will look like this. And again let me show you our demo. So by this way you will get your animation. So if you really enjoyed this Android tutorial, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share this tutorial. #mustwatch. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.